Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from the Binarium broker using Skrill. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account using the Skrill method. And now we intend to withdraw this balance. To do this, we click on the user menu and select the withdrawal option from the available choices. Then, you choose the Skrill method from the available options. In the next step, you enter the name of the person who the Skrill account is registered to, and in the next section, you enter the email that the Skrill account is registered with. After that, you enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Please note that when withdrawing, if you do not have a transaction volume that is double the amount you deposited, you will need to pay a 10% fee on the amount you wish to withdraw. So, after checking your account balance, you leave 10% of it for the fee and withdraw the rest. We click on the withdrawal option. Well, as you can see, our request has been successfully submitted, and we need to wait for this withdrawal to be finalized. This process can take up to 1 business day. Also, to view more details about this transaction, you can go back to the user menu and enter the payment history section to see the details of your transaction. And as you can see, after a few minutes, our withdrawal request was successfully processed. Stay with us for more information about this broker. Goodbye.